Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, everyone. And for my presentation is we have here the technology. It represents that integration of technology to enhance teaching. And for the optimizing, we have here the refers to making the best use of available resources despite limitation. And for the strategies, refers to the methods of use to cope with the challenge. And for the challenge is capture the obstacle the teacher face in delivering effective education. And for the seminar, point of professional development opportunities that provide knowledge and skills. And for the pedagogical refers to teaching method diversity needed to engage students. And for the professional reflects the importance of ongoing professional development of teaching. And that's all. Thank you.